Python exit commands, why so many and when should each be used? It seems that Python supports many different commands to stop script execution. The choices I've found are quit, exit, sys.exit, os._exit. Have I missed any? What's the difference between them? When would you use each?
The functions quit, exit, and sys.exit function in the same way. They raise the system exit exception. So there is no real difference, except that sys.exit is always available but exit and quit are only available if the site module is imported, docs. The os._exit function is special. It exits immediately without calling any cleanup functions. It doesn't flush buffers, for example. This is designed for highly specialized use cases. Basically, only in the child after an os.fork call. Conclusion. Use exit or quit in the REPL. Use sys.exit in scripts, or raise system exit if you prefer. Use os._exit for child processes to exit after a call to os.fork. All of these can be called without arguments, or you can specify the exit status, for example, exit 1 or raise system exit 1 to exit with status 1. Note that portable programs are limited to exit status codes in the range 0 to 255. If you raise system exit 256 on many systems, this will get truncated and your process will actually exit with status 0. Footnotes. Actually, quit and exit are callable instance objects, but I think it's okay to call them functions.
Let me give some information on them. Quit simply raises the system exit exception. Furthermore, if you print it, it will give a message. This functionality was included to help people who do not know Python. After all, one of the most likely things a newbie will try to exit Python is typing in quit. Nevertheless, quit should not be used in production code. This is because it only works if the site module is loaded. Instead, this function should only be used in the interpreter. Exit is an alias for quit, or vice versa. They exist together simply to make Python more user-friendly. Furthermore, it too gives a message when printed. However, like quit, exit is considered bad to use in production code, and should be reserved for use in the interpreter. This is because it too relies on the site module. Sys.exit also raises the system exit exception. This means that it is the same as quit and exit in that respect. Unlike those two, however, sys.exit is considered good to use in production code. This is because the sys module will always be there. os._exit exits the program, without calling cleanup handlers, flushing studio buffers, etc. Thus, it is not a standard way to exit, and should only be used in special cases. The most common of these is in the child process s created by os.fork. Note that, of the 4 methods given, only this one is unique in what it does. Summed up, all 4 methods exit the program. However, the first 2 are considered bad to use in production code, and the last is a non-standard, dirty way that is only used in special scenarios. So, if you want to exit a program normally, go with the third method, sys.exit. Or, even better in my opinion, you can just do directly what sys.exit does behind the scenes and run. This way, you do not need to import sys first. However, this choice is simply one on style and is purely up to you.
Different means of exiting. os._exit. Exit the process without calling the cleanup handlers. Exit 0. A clean exit without any errors, problems. Exit 1. There was some issue, error, problem, and that is why the program is exiting. sys.exit. When the system in Python shuts down, it means less memory is being used after the program is run. Quit. Closes the Python file. Summary. Basically they all do the same thing, however, it also depends on what you are doing it for. I don't think you left anything out and I would recommend getting used to quit or exit. You would use sys.exit and os._exit mainly if you are using big files or are using Python to control terminal. Otherwise mainly use exit or quit.
Sys.exit is the canonical way to exit. Internally sys.exit just raises system exit. However, calling sys.exit is more idiomatic than raising system exit directly. os.exit is a low-level system call that exits directly without calling any cleanup handlers. Quit and exit exist only to provide an easy way out of the Python prompt. This is for new users or users who accidentally entered the Python prompt and don't want to know the right syntax. They are likely to try typing exit or quit. While this will not exit the interpreter, it at least issues a message that tells them a way out. This is essentially just a hack that utilizes the fact that the interpreter prints the _rep__ of any expression that you enter at the prompt.
Ja, ganz, das ist enorm. Ja, das kann ich wieder